how to create a Facebook group from your mobile phone. Okay, so from your main page, click on the 3 horizontal lines. Okay, and then just scroll down to where it says groups, click on that. And then on the top left-hand corner, click on create. Okay, so you'll come to this window where it asks you to enter the name of the group that you want to create. Okay, you're more than welcome to add a cover photo, but we're going to skip that for the moment. The privacy, you can keep it public where anyone can see who's in your group or what you post, or you can keep it private, and only the members can see who's in there and what's been posted. You can either choose to keep the account visible to everyone or hidden, but we'll keep it visible for now, and we'll make it public. And then you click on create group, and it says here your group has been created, and it asks you if you want to add anybody to the group. You can just click in here and add some friends. If not, for the time being, you can click on done, and congratulations, your new group on Facebook has been created.